Alright, welcome back to the last vlog in Osaka. And me and Mark are on a adventure of sorts. I'm sorry for the darkness, but we are in a very darkish street. As you know, in our vlogs we do a lot of alcohol tastings, such as the Soplica tastings in Poland, soju tastings in Korea, and now we're going to be doing sake tasting in Japan. Hopefully, because our friend Tamaki is sending us to a bar in the middle of... We don't know. In Osaka. We're about 2.1 kilometers away from the center of craziness. We're going into a very dark area, as you can see.
Very few neon lights in this.
Very few neon lights here, that's right. So, once again, if anything happens to us, avenge our deaths. But in this case, we hopefully will taste some good sake. Because the stuff we had in Tokyo was not that good.
The stuff in Miyajima at that little restaurant was
That's right. So Tamaki tells me that her friend is a sake master. Hopefully we'll get to learn how to pronounce it right to start with. And then we'll get to taste some delicious sake.
And the differences between the different types of sake, because we don't even know what to ask for besides sake.
That's right. So subscribe, like and share. Let us know what you think. And let's get this show started. Hopefully.
Meanwhile,
quick update. Apple Maps, you can go yourself because you've sent us 2.1 kilometers in the wrong direction. So now we gotta, we're gonna go to another main road and probably catch a cab now because it's 11 minutes drive or 2.4 kilometers walk, which isn't that far. But I've already walked 10 kilometers today, so I couldn't be bothered anymore. So we're going to catch a cab. So again, I don't know who the new guy is now, Steve Jobs or whatever your name is. Seriously, man, get your act together. I don't swear on this vlog, but once I turn off the camera, you All right, take two. I think, by the look of all these empty bottles, I think we're at the right place. Are you ready?
It's been a bit of an adventure.
Oh, it's been an adventure and a half. Otoko? We are from Brisbane.
Brisbane?
Tamaki's friends.
ありがとうございます。いや、酒。ワイン。で、あとウイスキー。
Okay.
焼酎。
Tamaki told us you will do a sake tasting.
Okay.
All right, Tamaki, we've made it.
We made 酒、どぶろく酒、で、ブルワー僕。
Oh, sake brewery.
Yeah.
Oh, here?
シーブル作ってはるんですか？そう、うちで飲むの。
You show us?
どぶろく酒はnot クリア酒。
So this is your sake? Motoko sake.
もとこ酒。
Yeah, or bags.
いや、ナンバーワン from 岩手で、ナンバーツー栃木で、ナンバースリー
Number 3.
広島。
Oh, okay. All right, number 1. Here we go. Come back.
Hey.
Na zdrowie. That's good stuff.
That tastes nice.
Thank you, Osaka, for restoring my faith in sake. That's actually really good. I can have more of that.
No, I like that. It's not harsh at all. It's really smooth.
No, that was really good. All right. Where's the pickle? Number 2.
Japanese equivalent.
Na zdrowie. That one was not as good. Good.
It's got less flavour.
It's more pungent, as in it's got that fermented taste to it.
But
Number
it's
one's
got-
the winner.
It's like the flavour's like being turned down. Like it's not.
Number 3. Kanbei.
Right.
Na zdrowie.
Get a dog up here.
Number one. Number one.
Definitely number one. Yeah, I agree.
The third one is again tastes fermented and a little bit different. I would
have
say
the flavour.
no. Number one is the most flavoursome.
Yeah.
So sorry, Hiroshima, you're out on that one. But number one is the clear winner here.
Yeah.
I would definitely take a bottle of this now.
Yes.
So 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Right.
Tobroku is
Oh yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. The white, yeah, white sake. Okay. Hold on.
Interesting.
Good night, everyone. Dobranoc. Na zdrowie. Actually, smells bad, tastes delicious. Oishi. Oishi.
Yeah.
Oh. It's really weird. It's like it tastes like kefir. You know kefir?
Yeah.
You know the.
Yeah.
Kefir.
It's like
It's like fermented, like a kombucha milky thing.
yeah.
Like the Yakult. Yeah, but kefir. That's really good.
That's really
Okay.
interesting.
This is the stuff that they make here. Yes. After 4 shots, I am feeling it. I wonder what the alcohol content
yeah.
is. We'll have to check the alcohol content now.
瓶詰め工程が
Do
す
you,
ごいいっ
do
ぱい
you like this one?
Yeah.
It's good.
Good.
Tastes like Yakult.
ヤクルト。ああ、gracias.
Similar.
ヤクルトシムラ。
What's the alcohol? How much alcohol?
アルコホールは
10%, 20%?
11.
How many? 10, 20%?
どうぞ11.
11? Oh, okay. Those ones?
All 50.
15.
15.
Okay.
15.
Similar to Soplica, which is around the 17, 18% mark. Snails?
これ
Snail?
そう、シェ
No.
When in
You want
Rome. When in Rome.
He wants one. I said, what's next? And she's water. Domo arigato. So good. This one?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Number
5.
2.
5.
4.
5. We've had 3.
7.
Then we had 1. Na zdrowie.
Strawberry.
Amanda at the counter. At the counter.
No, I like that.
You like that?
I like that.
I'm okay with that.
No, I really like that.
It's good.
There's an ever so slight
Tangy.
It's not tang. Yeah,
Tang.
it's not. It's almost like you'd say it was slightly effervescent.
It's like lemony. It's got a bit of a, it's got that tang to it, like, a lemon zest.
but it's more a feeling than a taste. Like
Sake is a
in.
weird thing because I really want to like it, but I don't think it's my thing.
The first one we had.
The first one we'll get,
definitely still
yeah.
number one.
and the creamy one, kefir.
The creamy one is just a weird. It's a weird type of drink.
I don't mind that.
オーロク。オーロク。
Right.
教えてくださいね。
Amanda, we need the counter.
Yeah,
I can't remember.
6.
6 or 7. Na zdrowie.
No, that's my number one now.
Okay, that's good. This one is good. Oroku Matsuda. Motoko Matsuda. Motoko.
Hey.
You are paying, yes? You pay. You paying. Money. You pay. Yeah. We don't even know how much this costs. She's just pouring the drinks.
I'm sure.
Hopefully it's $1.50 per shot.
There's stuff
Because
somewhere.
I don't know if I've explained before, it's very difficult to pay by card in Japan. You've got to have cash on you. You can have I do want to try some of the food here,
Yeah.
but my stomach has been a little bit iffy since lunch, and I'm really scared of what will happen if I eat anything. I'm sorry for that detail, but like I really want to. Mark, you can go ahead and try whatever you want, but I've got 3 kilometers to walk back, and I'm petrified of what will happen if I try to fart. Right.
お酒。
Motoko is excited.
Yeah. I love.
Dun, 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 dun.
This is the last sake we're having, and it's warm. And Mark's about to try one of the snails, which is actually a whelk, which is a kind of carnivorous sea snail.
I don't know.
Go on.
Oh, that's disgusting. Am I ready?
Here comes the choo-choo train.
Arigato.
How is it?
I don't think I'll ever have one of them again.
I'm so glad I didn't have one.
I like a lot of weird stuff.
And we've tried a lot of weird stuff, and I'm sorry I'm not trying it, but honestly, I'm really worried about the train tomorrow, that I will explode on the train, or on the way to the train.
Hotosake. Haribo.
Okay, here we go.
This is quite warm.
Okay. Thank you, Tamaki, for suggesting this. This was really good. Very good experience for once in Japan. Right, here we go. It's good. It's good.
Good. It is good.
But the number one for me is still the number one. And then the milky stuff, I would say this is number 3. I like it. I like it warm. I like it warm. See my flirty nature, ladies?
It's because you've been drinking.
Alright, drink it slowly. That's all I can say.
Still something.
We do have a 10:30 a.m. train. That's why we did this early.
No. We need to leave because we've got to get
We're
a
getting
subway.
subway for half an hour.
Subway to the train station, and then we're on the Shinkansen for 15 minutes.
We're not even going to sit down. No point. Okay. Good soup. Good soup. Lovely to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.
High five.
Bye.
Thank you. You've been wonderful. Check out the place in the description below. Use Google Maps, not Apple Maps. And Makoto will take care of you. Fantastic place. Good?
Okay. Yes, definitely good. Except for the whelk.
Yeah, except for the so. And we got a present. Sake. This has to be in the fridge. Fridge.
No.
No? Warm is okay?
Yeah.
Airplane okay?
Not explode.
Sugoi. Well, that was awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Tamaki, for the suggestion. Remember, use Google Maps, not Apple Maps.
Yeah.
Because you'll end up in the weirdest place on the
We
planet.
need to get home.
We need to figure out how to get home now. 3 kilometers. Are we walking?
Yes. Let's just do it.
I guess we're walking. Okay.